Yo, what up guys? It's your boy Johnny back once again. And today I got you guys with another video. And guess what? I'm gonna try to shoot Jakie with this airsoft gun again. And I think he's inside my room right now trying to play some video games. I'm gonna sneak behind him and scare him with this gun. Let's see what's gonna happen, alright guys? Let's do it.
What are you doing, Johnny? Johnny, dude. What are you doing?
Say what's up to the camera, bruh.
Hi. Dude, calm down, I'm playing games right now.
Say what's up to the camera, bro.
Dude, chill, dude, seriously.
Ah! Fuck. Oh shit. Oh fuck, dude! Calm down with that, bro! Ah!
I'm gonna quit your shit, dude.
Oh shit.
I just want to play GTA for a little bit.
Dude, show them your where's it? Where I shot you at? Let me see. Damn, right here? Damn, right here?
Yeah, that's my scar from football.
Damn, I shot him right there, guys. Holy shit. Yo guys, hope you guys liked that video. Please leave a like on that video. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. And thanks for watching guys. Peace out.